When you're working out, you do not want to get hurt. So stay tuned today because I have a 10-minute full body beginner dynamic stretching routine just for you. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's workout. My name's Frank. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach with my three main goals of helping you feel, move, and look better through mobility, training, and nutrition. And again, I'm so glad you're here. Today, we've got a beginner full body mobility workout. Well, dynamic stretching, mobility, it's almost like the same thing. But in dynamic stretching, what I want to do is I want to rock back and forth in these movements. So we've got 10 different moves today. Each move is going to be 45 seconds long. Well, some of the moves are going to be repeated on each side, so they might be a little different. But 10 moves, 45 seconds long, 15-second rest breaks in between. And then basically the whole purpose of today is to bounce back and forth in some of these movements. If you can't stretch all the way, if you can't bend a knee or go all the way in a certain movement, just go to the full range of motion that your body can handle, and that's it, okay? So join me today. We're gonna get moving through it, and we're just gonna be getting in these dynamic stretches. Like I said, we're just gonna be kind of rocking back and forth through a few of these movements because with dynamic stretching, it's gonna help you with movement. It's gonna help you better move in a certain way rather than static stretching, which is probably good to do at the end of a workout. You're just holding those poses, but if you want to enhance your movement and enhance range of motion, dynamic stretching is the way to do it. So with that being said, let's grab our water bottles, let's get hydrated, and let's smash today's dynamic stretching workout.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, I hope you enjoyed today's dynamic stretching workout. I know I did, because especially when I'm doing a ton of these workouts, I look forward to this stuff. And for some of you, if you've never tried this before, you've got to give it a go. If you haven't seen my foam rolling video already, please go ahead and try that out, because that is going to give you all the fresh, circulated, oxygenated blood flow that you need to get to your muscles, and then you'll feel even looser doing something like this. Or if you'd like, you can even do one of my other follow along workouts. For example, here you can check out one of my beginner full body workouts. It's a really good one, and you can utilize that. And then when you're done with the workout, after you finish you do your foam rolling and your mobility, you do your workout, then you finish up with something like this. So these workouts are therapeutic in nature, and why I do dynamic stretching is because I want to enhance movement. Static stretching is not bad. Sometimes you may do that in a yoga class or something like that, or if it's at the end of your workout, you can do it. But these are good to do even before or after a workout, and I like doing it because I'm trying to enhance my range of movement. So getting into the pigeon stretch is a very, very difficult one, but it's also one of my most favorite ones. So that dynamic pigeon is just a great way to really help open up your hips. And a few of the other movements in there too, even all the way towards the end, that half kneeling T rotation, that was kind of a modified version of like a half lunge prayer twist, which is a little bit harder in my opinion, but that one you have your knee on the ground and you kind of get used to opening up your body. So you're trying to bend, move, and stretch in all sorts of different directions, because in all honesty, chances are you're probably going to hurt yourself outside of the gym. So why we do all this stuff here is to keep our bodies feeling good, nourish our muscles so that way we can bend and twist and move in all sorts of directions. And heaven forbid if you fall, if you did and you have the mobility, you're not going to get hurt. Like I have an 86-year-old guy that I work with, and I see him, and you know, unfortunately he's had even 5 or 6 falls in the past 2 years that we've been working together, just because, you know, he's using his walker a lot and sometimes he's lost his balance, but he's never messed up anything. And since we've been training, we've been strengthening his hips. We're doing our hip swings. We're in the bed doing our bed stretches. We're walking out on his deck, using a suspension trainer, doing the row. So we're strengthening his body. So even if you're over 80 years old and you do the mobility and do your stretches, it could really help out your body. And if you're a lot younger, maybe 18 to 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, all of these mobility and dynamic stretching routines can totally help you out. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Click that like button, click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. And until next time, I will see you very soon in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, up like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast.
Never change my